So I found my very first chanterelle of the season, and let's just cut it and take a look at the bottom of this beautiful mushroom. So easy to spot in the forest. This golden color is just gorgeous. And if you look at the bottom, it's very obvious because it looks like a trumpet, and the lines just go straight up from the stem. Beautiful mushroom. So here we are, chanterelle hunting in the forest with a win.
I'm willing to get bitten alive.
Okay, I'm braving the mosquitoes. Why am I braving all these mosquitoes swarming around me? Because for these beautiful golden chanterelles and gorgeous yellow mushrooms that you find in the forest, and they're really gourmet mushrooms because they're really tasty. If you've never had golden chanterelles, highly recommend trying these mushrooms. Now let's just cut them. Look at the bottom of this. Again, I say one of my most prized mushrooms, and just beautiful mushrooms that you find in July in the forest. Okay, so here's another lovely cluster of golden chanterelle I found. Oh, just beautiful. Look at these. Let's give you a look at how gorgeous these are. Look at them. Just gorgeous in the forest. Beautiful mushrooms. Some mushrooms, like chanterelle mushroom. Look at all this. All of that, and it'll be ready.